Major Rama Raghoba Rane, born on 26 June 1918 in Karwar, Karnataka, was the first living recipient of India's highest military honour, the Paramveer Chakra. Serving in the British Indian Army during World War II, he fought in Burma against Japan. Post-war, he joined the Indian Army's Bombay Sappers Regiment on 15 December 1947. During the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947, Rane played a crucial role in clearing tunnels, aiding the Indian Army's capture of Rajouri, for which he was awarded the Paramveer Chakra on 8 April 1948. He retired as a major in 1968 and passed away on 11 July 1994. Sardar Baldev Singh, born on July 11, 1902 in Rohtak, Haryana, was India's first defence minister. A freedom fighter and Sikh leader, he studied law in England and represented the Sikh community in the Indian National Congress during the freedom struggle. After India's independence in 1947, he served as Defence Minister until 1952, playing a key role during the partition, including the division of armed forces between India and Pakistan and addressing refugee resettlement issues. He was vocal about refugee concerns in Lok Sabha. Baldev Singh passed away on June 29, 1961. On July 11, 2006, 7 bomb blasts occurred on Mumbai local trains within minutes, killing 189 people and injuring around 800. The explosions targeted first-class coaches near Khar, Bandra, Jogeshwari, Mahim, Borivali, Matunga and Mira Bhayandar stations. The bombs made of RDX, ammonium nitrate, fuel oil and nails for maximum damage were placed in pressure cookers and detonated with timers. The attacks were planned in March 2006 by Lashkar-e-Taiyaba's Azam Chima in Bahawalpur. The banned organization Indian Mujahideen was found responsible. After 9 years, in 2015, 12 of 13 accused were convicted, 5 received death sentences and 7 got life imprisonment.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी, एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On July 11, 1977, Martin Luther King Jr. was posthumously awarded the Medal of Freedom by President Jimmy Carter for his pivotal role in the African American civil rights movement. An American pastor and activist, King significantly advanced civil rights in the mid-1950s, impacting both the US and the world. His 1963 I Have a Dream speech in Washington is among his most notable achievements. The Medal of Freedom, America's highest civilian honor, recognizes exceptional contributions to the country's security, prosperity, or national interest. King was tragically assassinated in 1968. World Population Day is celebrated annually on July 11, initiated by the United Nations in 1989 to raise awareness about family planning. The date marks the world's population reaching 5 billion on July 11, 1987, highlighting global concerns over rapid population growth. The first celebration aimed to address these concerns and promote family planning. Today, over half of the world's population resides in Asian countries, with India and China being the most populous. World Population Day emphasizes challenges like poverty, healthcare, education, and gender equality, advocating for reproductive health, family planning, and sustainable development.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.